Yesterday I did a tree job like this, but
Really?
it wasn't like mostly branches. It was trunks.
Oh,
It was
really?
big trees. It was Arizona ash.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
yeah.
and they were big. They were tall. My pole saw didn't reach, so I had to get up on a ladder and then with the pole saw. And that thing is
yeah.
heavy when it's
It
extended.
looks heavy.
It's extended when it's very heavy. And it's like, oh my God, that kicked my ass.
Oh my God.
And that was only a couple of hours. It was like, what, like 3 hours?
Really?
And that thing kicked my ass because there was a lot of tree trimming. I had to get on the roof and extend it also. And I was thinking even getting the ladder on the roof.
Yeah.
But my son said, no, that's enough.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, I'm local, I'm crazy. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay, Crowley.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just run in to the store real quick and I'll be back.
Okay.
And y'all be here a while.
Oh, yeah, we'll be here a while. We got to clear out all this because there's a fence back there. You can't see it. There's a fence. There's people dumping recliners on the alley. This is an alley. It's supposed to be an alley, but it's all overgrown. So we need to clear out all this, about 6 feet high. We already cut this side. We gotta cut that side. We gotta clear out all that side of the fence also in the alley. And then all this stuff about so high. About to where her roof is, like that across. Gotta clear out that branch, these branches. That's the only high branches, but I won't have to get on the ladder.